Yeah, man,
Cut.
step on the church, man. Well brawling, man.
Yeah,
I'm gonna grab us people for in touch for the church still, is it?
yeah,
Because them man are different, you know.
Yeah.
Catch a vibe, see where
Yeah.
we're in a church.
schizophrenic, you know.
Schizophrenic, you know?
Sick man, sick. Only pastor can find cure for it. Cut.
Cut.
I just say Rasta man now apologize to no man to boy. Since I apologize, I get back in visa. Bujo Bantan stop say boom bye bye in a batty boy head and be a fuck crap man. Bro, clear check say a joke. He say, what are the man and get by them visa? A 15-year bounty attention in America. Cartel come from prison visa. Say, I be a visa. The man can't DJ against the batty boy and a sodomite again. So LGBT, the whole of them bow to. Even the Prime Minister and the opposition leader. PNP and Labour right government bow to blood clan, batty boy and sodomite. I never force it. I check say one party, everybody across Andrew. Andrew can't do it by himself. Yeah, big up yourself for the give. One active boss, bumbo clad. Big up half a chief, gully, half a chief, Gaza. Everybody whoever gully a Gaza, half a chief. One active boss. Big up yourself. Yeah, man. And the two bumbo clad people them sell out bumbo clad Jamaica, bro. PNP government and the Labour government. It start from PG time. I think one day them take for do it PG and bumbo clad push up apartheid, you know. And one man.
You sleep with me on the bed. Can you have one bed down there to it now? But the film bed is a film bed, in a high. You know, then local bed you put on a ground like you have the mattress and you put it on a ground. So, also you put on in bed and sleep on it. Every minute the man, you can't get a good sleep. Every minute the man come for me with the one foot. And I walk and I walk and I walk. And I walk, you know, that I knew in the woman in the next room in her sleep. And the man that we get a good rest. I said the man every night, the man hide me carry me up there. Walk out in that is let me walk through there so. And if I walk on the scheme like this. Also let them boys see me too. Let them boys then see me and say what kind of thing that I go on there. And who you care around there? The man said no business, my care won't get. And when I look the boy swan, then swan the old like bees. All the one look through in that look, all the one look through door, then look.
Prepare your skin. And then something I like, you know.
Me no do kinky sex. You hear that? No woman can't tie me up and kill me. You mad man?
So when you want young girl, you want to go to them, something.
me no kinky man. That me I tell you.
I'm going to beat you with a whip. You forget all that somebody too.
No woman beat. Me do beating.
Well, don't come by me then if you're not going to go to
Yeah,
them,
but
somebody.
no, you have to change the rule. You have to change the law.
No, yeah, get it. Worse, man, know
You
your
can't
own.
get no. You have to change the law when you
When
come.
we done with you, you don't want no more young girl.
What?
When we done with you, you don't want
No
no more
man, you
young
can't
girl.
done with me. I'm here for done.
Stay far.
I'm here for done with you. You can't done with me.
Mash you up in the bedroom.
You can't mash me up no time at all. That me I tell you.
Me that tie you up, you see?
No man, you can't. No girl time up. No girl too man. No boy, no girl
Put you
can't
lie
tie
down
me
on the
up.
bed, make you can't move.
No girl can't tie me up, man. That me I tell you.
Remember, no girl can't tie you up.
That me I tell you. Come here.
So
Yeah,
that means say you can't go deal with me then if you
me
don't
I
want
tell you,
to.
me I tell you, say you ramp no badness, you know.
So who you gonna make me wet? Where you gonna do for make me wet?
When me I look for what,
Yeah.
take off your breast and push me within your pussy hole and bear ram it away. You must sweat.
No man, you have to give me a look tongue play.
Well, man, you mouth, you know, man. I tell you, say, you ramp with the badness, you know. You don't
You have to
believe.
give me a look tongue play,
I tell
man.
you, say, you ramp with the badness, you don't believe.
I'm not ramping up, man. I just
And if you want, I can't get a virgin. I don't know if you give me one. Can't get a sucker virgin for you.
you suck up, Bridget. Yo, and the last time me and friend they come go away. Me don't want to suck a Bridget and you me want to do.
No, man. I don't know if I get bone, man. Me go and take the bone.
Ask him for berry. You know a berry?
My girl is a batty boy, them all. I don't know them boy. They must try to get me. Just forgot them here. A woman me daily. Just forgot them boy. Them.
Lord God.
No.
So you're a bad man?
No, man.
So you're a wicked man?
No.
And you know no girl? Never get pum pum for your band. So when you get the pum pum, what you do with it?
Not at all.
No, not all you do with the catches.
No.
So you don't bite it.
No.
And you don't long with the tongue and wipe out it. Eh? So when the girl give you pum pum, what you do to it?
Not at all.
You just look for the pum pum
Yeah, man, I'm gone.
and gone.
Yeah, man.
So you don't cry over your pum pum?
No.
What make?
No.
Why?
They like me.
The pum pum will bite you. So you never bite the pum pum yet?
Look at.
Eh?
Look at.
Yeah.
Here, put out it.
You play football with the pum pum?
Yeah, man.
That alone?
Yeah, man.
So no one sit down on your face?
No.
Not at all?
No, look at that.
You can't manage to catch it if you get it?
No, it dead.
What did? Wait a second, I'm not here.
You dead.
What did? Everything for you dead. So you're not alive. Say a dead man walking.
No, man.
Yeah, what?
Can't do again.
Like, what you can do? You ever get pum pum for your band?
No.
Never.
Never.
You never see pum pum for your band?
You know.
And what you do with it? You touch it, you feel it up.
No.
You squeeze it up.
No, me. You put out. They nag me.
Then what am I doing you?
Me, you know.
What? Talk to me, I not hear you. Talk, no?
Nothing to talk around with you, what man? I don't know nothing like that, tell you, you. You know when I talk to them, no man, and I bad man talk them, from when I pick me a talk, you know, go and go down.
You soon come on, you go and come back.
Go do what? Well, no man, there's an
I
hour
want
when...
to fight, I call you, give me the hand.
So hold on.
Hold on.
So no... So you tell me say water can...
Yeah, not wine too.
So look at me, see man, them take water and you drink glycogen with that good?
Some people, some can't take it.
So you that test?
No.
Why you wouldn't test?
Because I don't, you don't fit for me.
So everything good, sir?
I know everything is some.
So one no good.
Some, the one I'm not see.
That no good. That should have good.
Belly one year, so you don't not see. But like how we see you now. Yeah. What about time to go again? Give it a more too.
You know what I'm saying? We could make ammonia for this. We could pitch it go viral and chop it.
You can know where to.
My squeeze just sitting too. My squeeze just sitting too.
My baby.
Yo. What? Me not hear who I'm doing, I can't see you.
You see.
Yeah, man, we see you on the
Yeah, man, we see you, man.
Big up yourself.
Next time, man.
No, what times, man.
Yeah, man. Next time, plastic and plastic.
You see me, it costs me, you know.
Every day.
Every day.
I told you habit.
So you ain't happy?
He happy, not you?
So you ain't happy?
You don't have it, you have it.
You never have it, you wouldn't give you.
And you work for it too.
So
Come
that's
on,
why you get
sir.
it. So that's why you get it.
Yeah, and get it freely. But me have to talk to get it. All right.
No more, so fresh pussy no. Like themselves like all them money, man, suck them out. Like them lad, you know, so you can talk what they don't fuck that, you
Me and him can't agree. You know, like beard.
You don't like beard, your beard, me live with you.
Nah, beard.
Me tell her, say, I want my wife, fool him, blood clot.
Yeah,
You not
wife?
till I flay him down the gully, you know.
Boy, my God acid me.
You know me, woman.
You have a
It's
man?
you kill her, you know. She come here all the while, you know.
Which man that?
Wish you man, you want me to fuck when me get me 3 daughters from, and me 2 sons.
Yeah, idiot.
Then get broke. I thought you me a big man, me no making JP, you know.
Yeah,
A woman will come here with all.
You ever fuck? You fuck in the water yet? You ever fuck in the water yet, man?
All the way.
Which part you say you fuck? You sure?
All the way.
Which part?
all in the back wire. Every day before call out there.
You too fucking lie, man.
Out there.
Oh,
And no, yeah.
who you fuck out that? You too lie, man. A long time you not fuck, man.
I don't fuck again from me tell you. And for me little body can't say fuck no, but if you go fuck no, well you can work in there, broke out and you're dead. Two things you can't get rid of now. You
What?
can't get it from me, and me can't get it from blood clot fuck out the pussy.
Why?
You don't get no video on Ross clot.
Nah,
You come fuck clot, you get video. If you did that turn with that fuck pussy, for give you money, when me get the gold, for that kill me. But I get something to buy. Yes, anytime you go to the road, I hear that tone, and you go buy Dr. Fish.
Of course, me damn pussy. Right now, we on them out the whole of Nicki Minaj pussy. See? All Nicki Minaj tribe, we on them out. Now repeat, we on them out the whole of Nicki Minaj pussy all in tribe. Just because Nicki Minaj a queen. See? We on them out in pussy, because Nicki Minaj pussy clean bad like the ice. See? Me a content creator, and the content creator jeans now me. Of course, when I'm Nicki Minaj pussy. You also Nicki Minaj pussy fat. Bumbo clot. John no. Nicki Minaj pussy. When I should midnight and sleep na Nicki Minaj pussy, brother.
Fresh drop.
Me rich me can yam me pussy, brother. See? And that's why I want to get famous so more. That me can yam Nicki Minaj pussy. Me work so hard to do.
They must say video go work boy a build
No
pan the
one
house.
them bumbo clot, they are pussy all them.
They must say a build pan the house and not pay a tax and that no
Me
right.
pay me tax.
But they must say that no right.
Me
They
pay
can't
me
build pan
right,
the house
that I
and
say
pay
to
a tax.
the pussy all. Grab my car and go live back with them.
They must say a race to go upstairs. Boy a race to go upstairs and you not pay no tax. How that work?
Me done with them blood.
I don't know fuck no girl in the house. And
Me not fuck no pussy, cause no boy I fuck them blood clot them.
I thought drink the rum, me say.
Me have to drink the pussy all.
Tap drink the rum.
Me have to drink it now.
Tap drink the rum, me say.
Me have to drink pussy all.
Tap drink the rum.
They terrorist me, man. This can't be in love, you know. But me can't quit on a blood
This
clot.
not take away land for you. This not take away land.
I got body down tonight to pussy clot this after body the blood clot.
You know more, you're mad, you can't do that. You're
Tell me,
mad.
I body down.
You can't do that. And tap drink the rum, go like you're a junkie. A junkie?
Yeah, pussy all of them.
Tap go like you're a junkie.
Me and you right, me boy.
So now you and this man at work, man, say your boss. And
So listen, man at work.
So now you and this man
I'll be a
at
fuck
500 odd K there, you know. But if you over here, so over there, so money I make, you know. You have to stick over the side there and just know what's over there thing there. You know, I hear that. You have to stick over the side.
Friends, what because when you pass it, why you run me down from me, your friend? Why you pick up on my bicycle? Look where government road is. Like your idea for mash up what? You know this is from what they mean have idea? It's not because anomaly, it's not avoid a problem like this, no? So if me and you want to talk in front of you today, I'm going to avoid this. Any day you get the bicycle, you're dead. Remember, me tell you that I'm going to station and say, come on, someone. You don't know, but I can follow you. And I can tell them round there in front of the place. Come like you're a party man. We tell them, say, yo, me not keep money. I don't know, man. You can't go up and follow back me. Me and chuck you back on your front. Come anytime you get to you. And that's something like this. So come from the that's something when I go
I realize if most if human content creator them a use the Batty Boy sound and from them use it and Rebel use it, Ivan they use it. How no gone? How no responsible for all them as you know. I love you shit in a play business, you know. I love you know. I love you in a style, you know. I some quietly and barely, you know. Someone in some quiet Ivan, some silent Ivan, you know, some shit in a some real shit in a plate, you know. I'm telling you, you know, some real germs, you know. Some real nastiness, you know. Cause when I use this sound, I know how much thousands of people are following you. I don't know how be an idiot them. I don't remember my children's them.
What could the blows going to do? And I wipe off all your tongue. How are you going, sir?
Well, may I tell you, you see the toilet paper? You as a woman, whenever you piss, do not use toilet paper. You see, our wives me have to use. The toilet paper come like a magnet for my tongue. The woman pee and she use the toilet paper. And now I can't get it off of my tongue.
You have to wash off your tongue?
Yeah, man.
Can I wipe alone and go help you? You have to wash off your tongue.
And when I look careful, I don't see no toilet paper on the pussy. And when I start swipe, pee teeth to find something. The fucking something hard to come off, it come like magnet, man. Just know, man. And if you use wipes, man, wipes cheap. Look more, see it?
Alright.
If you use wipes, still.
All the while.
Oh, you not like them look again?
No.
Oh, so if
this will give you infection.
So if me swipe, you know, no toilet paper.
No toilet paper.
My mouth.
No.
Alright, cool.
Toilet paper give you infection.
I look more swipe you now, tomorrow, whenever.
Alright.
Yeah. Over that.
Don't insult me intelligence. Yeah, morning again, people, viewers and subscribers, business and banky, perisher. Yeah, manners. Yeah, I know me have to come up front and all thank the people, especially for my hairstyle, my shirt, my jacket, and thank Father God for my energy and my clean heart and my love when me spread and my loyalty and my free-handedness. You know, because more time, I don't know some people, I have to share my things with them.
Yeah.
Because we are human being and them teach me at school at grade 1, say, yo, no man is an island, no man stand alone. You see me?
Yeah.
So me I said the politicians, them are going like them are general. But when we check it deep, them are criminal. Because them take away everything I want more and left me down here so the loot and fire say for poor. So that's why me have to say, yo, thanks to my clothes because I don't want naked because when I little me used to want naked. For me turn teenager, I don't want not even be back on the road. Yo, them take away everything I want more. Franquita, take away everything I left banky for poor. Take away everything I want all. Me gal a ball, so me a ball. Franquita not different for cut.